going to go through this question in two different ways. First of all, how I did it. So got my rectangle, and then let's say this is 6 centimeters and this is 11 centimeters. We're going to pick one of the 11 centimeter sides and draw the bisectors, so the angles at either end. So this would be one, and this would be one. Okay, now method one, just what I did, I thought about the triangle. Well, obviously two triangles are created, but I split it into two and then realized that this is 90. This must be 45 because we're bisecting at 90 degrees. This is also 45, and so we've got an isosceles triangle. And the same will be true on the right. Now, there's symmetry involved, so this must be half of 11. It's going to be 5.5, which means that this is also 5.5 because it's a 45-degree isosceles triangle. And therefore, this, let me split this into two. This is going to be 0.5 because the whole length is 5.5, and therefore, sorry, let me stick with the length on the left. This little length is going to be 0.5. And therefore, the whole thing here is going to be 1, which means that either side it's just going to be 11 minus 1, 10, divided by 2. So we're going to get 5, 1, and 5, which is E. Just looking at an alternative way of doing this question, this is how the answers did it. The same sort of setup. Okay, they said that this here is going to be x now. And then they use the idea of the isosceles triangle, 45 degrees, but for the whole thing here. So because this is 6, then this length here is going to be 6, which means that this length here is going to be 6 minus x. And we can apply exactly the same idea on the right-hand side to also give 6 minus x, which means if we add all these together, 6 minus x plus 6 minus x, we have to get 11, and that is going to be 12 minus x is equal to 11, so x is 1, and then 6 minus x will be 5, in which case we'll get 5, 1, 5 as well. So two slightly different approaches. One used similar triangles, both of them used isosceles triangles, this one had more algebra in. Both pretty neat.